Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Learn French for Beginners. Our series for A1 or beginner's level consists of 65 lessons. In this lesson, you will learn a few greetings in French. Throughout the videos, we will be working on this pattern. The French word is going to appear in yellow, whereas the English word will follow in white. So, let us begin. Leçon 1. Leçon 1. Salutations or greetings. Salutations. In this video, we are going to discuss the various forms of greetings used in France. The greetings will give you a feel of the French pronunciation. And to have a good command of the language, repeat what you listen a few times. So let's start. Salut. Once again, salut. This is the most common form of greetings in France. Notice that we do not pronounce the last letter, the letter T. Don't worry about it now, as we're going to see it in the next videos. The next one is bonne journée. Once again, bonne journée. Yet another commonly used form of greetings. This can be used any time of the day. We do not pronounce O. Rather, we say O. People who have difficulties with this, try to keep your lips straight. O, not O. Let's now learn some greetings that can only be used in a particular time of the day. Bonjour. Once again, bonjour. This is to wish nice morning. Notice that it's bonjour, not bonjour. The next one is bonsoir or bonne soirée. Once again, bonsoir or bonne soirée. A good rule is that whenever you have an N at the end of the word, it is not pronounced unless you have an E after the N. Bonsoir is more casual and often used than bonne soirée. The latter is more formal. This is to say good afternoon. The last one is bonne nuit. Once again, bonne nuit. Notice how we pronounce bonne. It's because we have an E at the end of the word. This is to say good night. You must have noticed that within the last four greetings, there is a similar pattern. Don't be confused and don't be afraid. We shall discuss these things in the next videos. Let's concentrate only on the pronunciation of these words and their usage. Now, let's learn some original greetings. Coucou. Once again, coucou. This is an informal way to greet. It's basically like saying, hey, and it's commonly used between friends and people that we know closely. Another one is bye. Once again, bye. This is also an informal way to say goodbye. You will often hear people in France saying bye-bye. Next one, au revoir. Once again, au revoir. Note that the pronunciation of the R is different, the one of the English language. The best way to learn this pronunciation is with words and practice. Basically means see you again. Another one would be à bientôt. Once again, à bientôt. Don't worry about the accents on the A or the O, as we're gonna see them in the next episodes. For now, just focus on the pronunciation and usage of the word. This means see you soon. Finally, à tout à l'heure. Once again, à tout à l'heure. Or, à plus tard. Once again, à plus tard. Notice that we do not pronounce the D at the end of the word. It's like the rule of the N. We would have pronounced it if we had an E after the D. This means see you later. And now we will be summarizing all the greetings and the forms we have studied this lesson. Please repeat them after me. Salut. Bonne journée. Bonjour. Bonsoir or bonne soirée. Bonne nuit. Coucou. Bye. Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Now, you can go ahead and use these expressions in your French conversation. Try in the comments below to greet us using one of these expressions, depending on what hour it is in your country. Merci. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.